Our school is home to over 1,000 trees. These trees provide a safe haven for a variety of bird species which visit us throughout the year. Birds are not only beautiful and enchanting creatures, but they also play an essential role in our ecosystem. They help pollinate plants, disperse seeds, control pests, and bring life and color to our surroundings. The brown rockchat is a robust bird. It has brown plumage. These birds are known for their melodious songs and their role in insect control. The hoopoe is a unique bird known for its striking crown of feathers, long beak, and beautiful patterned plumage. Their diet consists of insects, grubs, and small reptiles. The oriental white-eye is a small bird with bright green plumage and a prominent white-eye ring. These agile birds play a crucial role in pollination. The barbet is recognized by its colorful plumage. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, insects, and nectar, making them essential in pollination. The graceful wagtails are small, slender birds. Their striking black and white plumage, coupled with their characteristic wagging tail, they are commonly seen near water bodies while foraging for insects. The cuckoo, famous for its distinctive call, is a master of deception. It lays its eggs in the nest of other bird species, tricking them into raising its young. The manna possesses a striking combination of white, black, and chestnut plumage. Their chatty calls and gregarious behaviors make them a common sight in urban and rural areas alike. The bulbul is a small to medium sized body, is adorned with feathers that range from dull brown and gray to more vibrant hues of red, yellow, or orange. Its diet includes fruits, insects, and flower nectar. Pigeons comes in diverse colors and patterns. Their adaptability and resilience have allowed them to thrive in both urban and rural environments.